So guys, today we're going to be smashing cans. Well, kind of like turning them up in the air.
What? No, we're not.
Okay, fine.
But I will not be denied.
Well, not careful. This man is ridiculous, not careful. He shot me in the tooth and clipped my lip with a freaking BB gun.
Okay, show us the man.
Kill me. Right there!
Okay,
and
thank you.
Look what we just did by throwing this in the air. Pardon.
Okay,
Destroyed.
guys, I didn't tell you all that we were busting cans, but yeah, that's what we're doing.
Okay, hurt yourself. I don't care if I hurt myself. Hurting myself is fun. Yeah, but you hurt
So
me.
we're smashing cans. We've done it a few times. He just about killed me with one. He just threw one out of the. Oh, sorry.
Well, he almost killed me with a freaking BB gun. He almost blinded me. He almost blinded me. Hit me in the lip.
What are you doing?
Pardon. Yeah. Be careful.
You know we have limited cans, right? Here, wait. That.
Film this in slow-mo.
Watering the bushes.
Hey, so we ran out of cans.
Let's go inside.
Subscribe.